Hey IT bro, challenge you. Now tell me a website that can surprise me. No problem bro. If you use Windows 95 in the 90s, this website will definitely make you feel the deja vu kinda weird. This is a primitive and memes-filled edition of Windows 95. You'll find Solitude and Cat Explorer instead of Solitaire and Internet Explorer, a highly improved version of MS Paint called Pixscale, and Star Wars episode in ASCII animated version. There's a voice program on the desktop named Speech, where you can type a word and the program will pronounce it in different accents. Brian Sweeper, and a snarky version of Wolfenstein 3D called Castle Gaffa 3D. In Windows 93, it's unstable and you will be graded eventually with the blue screen of death. If you click on the aptly named Core Glitch program on the desktop and it will fork with your computer, forcing you to perform a reboot to get things back to normal, just like a real Windows machine. Well, if you dig deep into it, there's a phone as well. It's somewhere around. Dive in if you dare. Just don't ever click Hydra EXE.
Haha, that is lame. I've heard this stuff long ago.
Huh?
Battle play.
Now let me tell you this one. You'll see different faces every time you refresh the URL. Each of the faces on this site does not exist in this world. These hyper-realistic portraits of completely fake people generated by a special kind of artificial intelligence algorithm called GAN. It looks super real, but only if you look into the details, you still can see that's a little weird. GAN was originally coded and open source by NVIDIA, and the page was set up by a software engineer Philip Wang to demonstrate what this technology is capable of and raise public awareness. The end goal of many tech companies using this AI technique to generate fully fleshed out virtual worlds. GAN are already being used for virtual social media influencers, a myriad of computer-generated characters. Advertising fashion brands and lifestyle companies have already amassed millions of followers across the internet. Making this image speak and move naturally is only a couple of steps beyond that. But on the flip side, this revolutionary technology will also make deception and misinformation easier than ever before. A nefarious actor could spread a GAN-generated image or video depicting a bogus event to incite riots, protests, or other potentially violent reactions online. Philip Wang is making this person does not exist.com for people to be more aware of the potential damage it could cause. This website will make people less susceptible to being fooled by them. Nah, I've heard of this stuff long ago.
Really?
There's also a website called whichfaceisreal.com to test that if you're fooled by the AI-generated fake face. You need to choose between a real face versus a fake face photo. Except for AI-generated faces, there are more AI-generated stuff on this website. This X does not exist.com. You can try on the AI-generated lyrics, AI-generated resume, and even an AI-generated startup concept. Let IT Hero show you another website lah. An AI website that can clone your voice and custom it by typing up. Just record a few sentences into the system after letting the machine learning clone your voice. When you type any sentence, it will talk in your voice. That means you can mimic anyone's voice.
Hey buddy, why do you want to hear my voice? Well, I will accept to read whatever text you want, but only if you are friendly with me. Please don't make me swear or I will stop working for you. I am not kidding.
To be continued.